Hello guys, my name is Monsiu Tech. You may know me from videos about flashing your custom ROM or custom recovery. Now I'm back here and today I have great news. I've launched a new application called Custom RR, which will serve as the hub for all your custom ROMs and recovery. Now, what does that mean? It does not mean that the application will hold your hand through the flashing process, but it will serve as basically a helper to guide you through that whole process, including to direct you to any custom ROMs that you want, or even a custom recovery, or even a root option. And it can also, in the new release, it can tell you which ROMs or recoveries are available for your device. This is from a release I just released like 2 days ago. Now it's far much better and it's more advanced than what it was, and I believe it's going to be a great help to anyone who's interested in modding and the whole custom ROMs and recovery scene, which I'm going to link in the description. You can check it out on the GitHub and you can find the full project there. It's open source, everything is there, there's nothing that is hidden, and that's the beauty of it all. Now I'm going to need your help. I'm trying to put the application on the Google Play Store. I'm not really sure if it's going to be accepted, but I'm just going to try. And so I need 12 testers for a period of 14 days. Now these testers are going to basically join a group, and through the group they're going to get 2 links. One link which will opt them into the whole testing environment, which is necessary for the Google Play Store. In order to go now into the production, you have to first create this closed testing environment, which I'm going to do, and you need 12 testers for a period of 14 days. So now I need your help. I need 12 people for this 14-day period to basically enroll into the Google groups. And I'm going to share a link to join the whole closed test, and it will be of great help if all of you could just participate into this. I really am doing it for the love of the community. I'm really passionate about modding and the whole modding scene. So I really just would like it if you guys could participate in this and help me out. I believe we can make something great, and we could also get a shot to appear into the Play Store, and I will truly appreciate it. Now, I'm going to share some few screenshots of the application. It's going to be in landscape. I'm going to look for wider aspect pictures if I find them. But now, this is Custom RR. It's going to show you every custom ROM and recovery that is available. Most projects are going to be defunct, but I'm going to list them at the bottom for you to review. And if you want to access their links or their project, their GitHub, you can also find it there, but it's going to be listed as defunct and discontinued, but you'll find everything at the bottom. This is just going to be a quick video. I will truly appreciate if you just check it out. It's been a passion project of mine for years, and I literally started it from nothing. I had no knowledge on coding, and I began to teach myself through this project, and now it's much better and more refined. So thank you guys, and please check out the project. Check it out more so in the Google groups. I'm going to share a link to a whole forum that I made, a message that I made on the forum, so that you can get the full info on what to do. But with that, thank you so much for watching, and let's make roaming great again. Thank you all, and goodbye.